Use multithreading in numba. I have a function that performs a point-in-polygon test. It takes two 2D numpy array as input, a series of points, and a polygon. The function returns a boolean as output, true if the point lies inside the polygon, false otherwise. The code is borrowed from this, so answer. An example below. The code above can be compiled by running python numba_src.py and tested with. My attempt is to parallelize the code above so to make use of all the available PIS. I treed following the example from the numba official documentation using at njit. The code above completed for n equals 1000000 in 55 inches versus 133 inches of the precompiled serial version. The system monitor shows only one CPU running at 100%. How can I try to make use of the whole PIS available, and return the result in a single array of booleans?
Numba's parallel equals true enables automatic parallelism only for certain functions, not for all loops. You should replace one of your range expressions with numba.range to enable multi-core computation. See this URL.
If you want to say more, press on multithreading.